List comprehension is a powerful and must-know concept in Python, yet it is somewhat challenging to beginners. Today we will discuss about list comprehension briefly, and I will try to clear your doubts. So, what is list comprehension? List comprehension is nothing but writing shorter codes, so shorter and efficient codes. With the list comprehension, code will execute faster, and definitely it is faster than loops. Research have suggested that list comprehension is nearly 35% faster than loops. So disadvantages of Python list comprehension is it is harder to understand, and we will see some examples here. Before going into examples, this is the syntax of list comprehension. The syntax is, within a list you can nest these three expressions followed by loops followed by condition. So within a list, square brackets indicates a list, and we can nest all these three in between the square brackets. So in order to understand, I will tell you with example. So suppose there is a list LL which contains some names CSC, Python, placement, some beginners. So now this list contains strings of different sizes. So if you want to find the length of each string in the list, you will definitely write some for loops like this. For I in LL, print n of I, so it will print length of each and every string. So we did like this. This is the basic approach, but coming to list comprehension, we can do it with just one line of code. Just print. I told you before, you just in between the list you have to mention expression. That is, here I am going to print len of item. So here take it as an item. It will be easier to understand for you. Item. So first I am writing expression, then followed by loop for item in LL. So this condition is optional. You can use it, or if you want to, if there is any condition, or you can skip it. So within one line, by using list comprehension in Python, just one line is enough to print the entire list by using this expressions and for loop nested between the square brackets. So output will be, you can check here output also. I will run this. See, this is the output generated by for loop, and this is the output generated using Python list comprehension. So Python list comprehension will always return a list. In between we will have our answers. So this is about the Python list comprehension. Here you can use some conditions also. If len of item greater than 5, then you can print it. So what I am doing here is just printing the string length of the string which is greater than 5. So now here I told you this condition is optional, but here I am using condition here. So here also after loop you can use condition. If len of item greater than 5. So we will see the output of these two methods. See, both are generating same output, but Python list comprehension will use shorter codes. In just one line you can write efficient codes which are much faster than these loops. So this is the best advantage with Python list comprehension methods, list comprehension in Python. Now we will see one more example. More example is removing vowels from a sentence. So I have taken one sentence, LL, that is Python is my favorite language. Now our task is to remove vowels from the sentence. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. I am taking this as. Now if I want to remove vowels, what I will do is I will just loop for I in LL, that is I, we can take it as a char, or that is each and every character. If char not in vowels, what we will do, we will take one output array, output list, and we will append each and every character, output dot append char, print. So what I am doing is here I will take each and every character that is not in vowels and I will append it to this list. Now what this statement is doing is it is printing in a sentence format instead of list format. Output is a list. If we do like this dot join, then it will, this is a string format, so it will convert, it will form this as a string. So output will be, see, now vowels are removed from the string. Python O is a vowel, it is removed, I is a vowel, it is removed. So vowels are removed like that. So this is a very somewhat bigger code. By using list comprehension, we can do this in just 2 lines. Let's see this. So how you can do is output, this is our list. So in between these square brackets we can use list comprehension, that is first expression. What I am doing is char, we want that char which is not in vowels. So what I will do is for char in LL, I am using condition here, if char not in vowels. See, with just one line, by using this syntax, expression followed by for loop followed by condition, what it will do is it will check each and every character that is in vowels. If not in vowels, then it will add this character to this output array. So now we got this output array, and final step is just like before what I did, the output I will convert this list into a sentence. So we will see the output of these 2 methods. So we got the same output, and by using list comprehension in Python, we are just writing shorter codes. See, in just 2 lines. Here I am using many lines, and it is very faster compared to loops, as this is suggested. I think you understood how to use list comprehension. You just remember one thing, just use this syntax, expression, loops and condition. This syntax should be same, you should not change the syntax. It's your wish, you can include condition or not, so but you should follow this syntax. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, drop your messages in comment box.